I never forget the night that we met down at the Bayside. We lit cigarettes, a trip to the city, taking the main line. Straight to the pub, we ordered some jugs, drank some scotch and dry. Getting real cozy, pub karaoke, I sang Oh What a Night. Late December, back in 95 in Northbridge, when all we had was joints and the urgent need to get pissed. We was kids and we was living life at light speed. Bottle to bottle, bugger tomorrow, cause we got tonight, see. I had a job, pouring drinks, you did the same, right. Different pubs, but after they shut, we stayed up half the night. You made me laugh, always the charm, said the right things. And I was your man, I asked for your hand, I gave you a diamond ring.
Magic moments, memories we've been sharing. Magic moments, memories we've been sharing.
I never forget the time that we slept down on the foreshore. Ran out of wine, hardly a dime, but still we bought more. Caught the bus the next and headed home in daylight. Your parents came for lunch, you left the bong in plain sight. Caught wreck, but what the heck, we didn't give a shit. Remember the 60s, the hippies, you called your dad a hypocrite. He flipped his lid and insisted you need to get your life in order. And over his body I would tie the knot with his only daughter. You tossed him out the house to sort it out with fits and screams. Later confided what he had tried when you was just 16. Cried and cried, I dried your eyes, we drank till we laughed about the things that we did, the bars that we hit, the times that we passed out.
Moments, memories we've been sharing. Magic moments, memories we've been sharing.
Yeah, I never forget the day that you left. It started with drinking, the drugs and the harm, the scars on your arms. What were you thinking? Couldn't escape the past and always on the wagon. Chasing dreams, chasing the beam, chasing the dragon. It wasn't the same, I called out your name, but you weren't listening. Comfortably numb, under the gun, something is missing. Your trigger finger itchy and it's quick to spark at nothing. The dread, the pledge, a razor's edge, I thought you were bluffing. I could've done something if you'd said so. How was I to know you was willing to let go? We could've had us a son, a daughter. Let the dream float like your blood on the water. We meant and said it's till death, but if this path's pursued, then it's Montague and Capulet. I bet it's cold in the ground too, like it's cold in this room that I found you. Cold, your soul lifted, spirit shifted along. One last kiss on her lips and she's gone forever. Now her limbs are covered in feathers. Angel stood on the edge and wished she could fly.
There you stood on the edge of her feather, expecting to fly.